Hey guys, Bob here again with a new overview video. This time we're taking a closer look at the Super 73 ZG. The Super 73 ZG is a perfect entry-level bike and comes in 5 different colors. We have white, jet black, steel blue, astro orange and millennial pink. The bike is made with a strong steel frame weighing about 26 kilograms and has adjustable handlebars to cater to your riding style. The bike comes with a banana-style cruiser seat, which is about 68 centimeters, which is a good size for riders who are 1.4 and 1.8 meters tall. The bike comes with a 313 watt-hour battery, which has a range of about 30 kilometers, depending on riding conditions and weight. The battery and the controller are located in the seat, which is not removable. This will prevent battery theft and water damage. The Super 73 ZG comes with a 2-amp charger, what makes the bike have a charging time of about 6 hours. The bike is equipped with a 250 watt motor, and in combination with the cadence sensor it gives you a good acceleration and a maximum speed of 25 kilometers an hour, which is perfect for in the city. The LED display on the bike shows you your battery level and lets you move between 3 different speed levels. Your battery level is shown in red and the different speed levels are shown in blue. The bike is equipped with a Tektro mechanical brake system and comes standard with a set of lights and a bell. The bike comes with Super 73 street tires, and due to the tire profile, the ZG tires have a low rolling resistance for easy riding. Whenever you're having issues with the bike or just have general questions on the ZG, feel free to reach out to our customer care team who are available 5 days a week by email, phone or chat. In the link under this video you can book your test ride at our HQ in Amsterdam or at a local dealer near you. Keep an eye on the socials to see when the next group ride will happen. Please leave your questions on the bike in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe and we'll see you next time.